Alright, hello everyone. I believe this will be the final video in our CAD part series, and then we will move on to assemblies. But here we have our nice little cube that I already made. You can go look at video number 2 if you would like to learn how to make a basic part. But I'm just assuming you already know how to do that, so let's get started with shells. Alright, so for the shell, you are going to want to make sure that you are in the features option, not in the sketch option. Alright, and once you are there, you're just going to want to go click on the little shell option. So this is a pretty straightforward operation. You just want to click the face that you want your shell to go descend through, the face that you want to remove, and then it shall, whatever thickness you put. This will be the thickness from one side of the shell to the outside of the object, inside from the outside, if you will, including on the bottom. All these sides, right now, they're about 0.1. I'm going to change this to 0.15 inches. There you go. And yeah, there isn't a lot to do with this. I can make it go to the outside if I do not want to remove any material from the inside of my shell, and the constraint is that I measured from this to this, and I want to keep this inner space the same, and instead I want to put 0.15 inches around the outside, but otherwise it will just add the material to the inside and making the inner space smaller, which is fine with me for all intents and purposes right now. So yeah, here you go. I am going to go and add an appearance to this. Go with hot red. Alright, looks good. Drop any questions in the comments below, and thank you for watching this video and this series, and we'll look forward to doing some assemblies with you.